that nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're going to be giving a vibe. I've teamed up with LUVME Hair to bring you this beautiful curly wig. She's about neck length and she's absolutely gorgeous. The icing on the cake is that she is a closure wig, which you guys know is my jam. So we're going to be doing a glueless install. You're going to see me play with the hair and you're going to see how beautiful it looks when you just use your fingers and play with it and finesse it and see how natural and like just kinky curly it gives. And then we're going to play with it even more, and we're going to use some products from Bedeck which you guys already know is my brand. I think I have the cutest packaging on the market, honestly, and it's only getting started. So many things to come from my brand, but we did use the continuous mist spray bottle to go ahead and wet the wig down, and then we use our Hold and Shine mousse to style the hair. And as you guys can see, she has so much definition. Of course, we love a blunt cut bob, but for some reason I just love it when it comes a little bit longer in the front. It gives a whole vibe. So you'll see this wig in its natural state. You see it like made super big with no products. You see it super wet and juicy curls, and then you'll also see it come together in the end for a happy medium between the wet and the dry. Love, love, love it here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the install. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend. I don't wanna pretend. You just get who I am. Almost feel like we're fam. Think it's time that we try something money can't buy. You and me should go dance. Maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste.
Okay, love bugs, we're not quite done with this look, but I just wanted to give a brief little show and tell. So as you guys can see, we've already did the install. I opted for a more frontal look with this closure wig by going in with some baby hair. I wanted to go a little bit lighter, meaning not as thick and full. I think I did a great job. And then I just added a little bit of concealer and powder. One thing I can do to improve this is maybe even like go in with my tweezers and kind of just thin it out in the front just a little bit more to make it more gradient. The install was super easy because again, with the closure wigs, it's very simple to get it installed. I will say that this one definitely fit glueless. The wig itself fits snug on my head, not tight, but snug. There's a difference. If a wig fits too tight, you're gonna get a headache. It's not gonna be comfortable. You're not gonna wanna wear it. If it fits snug, it kind of basically means that the wig fits your circumference of your head like it's supposed to, like it was pretty much made for you. And with that, you can typically sit the wig on your head like a hat, and it fits glueless, flat, and flush. I did have that experience with this wig, but I also knew I wanted to give baby hair realness. And sometimes when you have baby hair with a glueless install, it's not a bad thing, but if you keep lifting it up to like show that it's glueless, you're gonna ruin your baby hair. So I didn't mind going in with the quick 1-2 with one of my favorite glueless spray adhesives. I'm working on trying to get one myself like this because I feel like the aerosol can really is key with the spray glueless adhesive opposed to like the plastic squirt bottles that right now I'm only able to get on demand. So that's something I'm working on behind the scenes because I love a good spray glueless adhesive. Wigs are not going anywhere anytime soon, so I just want to be able to have my own since I do, you know, am passionate about wigs and installs and all of that. I would like to bring you guys a formula that is a mix of my favorites with my own flair than what I would use or do to improve the ones that I like. You know, just a little twang of everything, perfectly bottled in my style. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna work on the ends. So far, all we've done, we just played with it with our hands and kind of just pulled it apart and got it big. For me, I love the length. I love the taper cut. This here is a vibe, and this almost is like one of my favorite ways when it comes to like a bob, especially a longer bob. It's like that little height in the back and it comes down longer in the front. Whether it's curly, wavy, or straight, this is kind of, like I said, one of my favorite ways to wear a bob, even more so than a blunt cut bob, even though I do think a blunt cut bob looks amazing on me. But I just wanted to show you the natural look. I feel like if you are a natural girl with a similar hair texture, this is kind of a beautiful way that a lot of women love to wear their hair. But I do still want to show you what it looks like when you wet it down and add a little bit of products. Again, I just wanted to give you the sideshow bob realness, as we like to call it, and just show you if you are going more so for that natural girl vibe, this probably is perfect right here for you. But let's just see when you tame the curls just a little bit, add a little product, what will happen at that point.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.
Okay, love bugs, I filmed a whole outro and I'll jump to that in just a moment, but I wanted you guys to see what I'm going to be talking about in the outro. So it's kind of backwards, I'm showing this before, but it'll make sense in the end. I did go ahead and wet down the hair as you guys seen, and I added my Hold and Shine mousse. You're going to see in the next clip that it's still wet and juicy, but I want you guys to see once the wet and juicy dries and you kind of pull it out just a little bit, it gets big again, but it definitely gives more definition than it did when I did the, you know, pulling out and making it big without any product. Super gorgeous. Let me show you guys what it looks like from Bedeck.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet.
Super cute, flawless, perfect. Now let's jump into the outro. Okay, love bugs, we are back. I went ahead and did some wet and wavy on this hair just to see what it would give. And by wet and wavy, I mean literally wet the wig down using my Bedeck Beauty spray bottle. And then I went ahead and waved it up or curled it up with the Sculpt and Shine mousse from BedeckBeauty.com as well. Isn't my package literally the cutest thing you ever did see? I love it, and I sometimes like walk in my bathroom and I look at my products and be like, I did that. I created that, and it's only gonna get better. That's even the crazier thing about it. But as you guys can see, when you wet this hair up, It is definitely perfection. I love, 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 love the thick, chunky, soft, beautiful waves that are a product of this wig. I just set it off by adding a little bit of hold with the Sculpt and Shine mousse. If you guys know me, I love to saturate my curls with water first and then go in with my product. Sometimes I'll go in with something that'll make it soft and fluffy. If I want it to last, I like a little hold to it. That way it kind of will like mold the curl, cancel out the frizz, give it a little bit of shine, and set it. That way throughout the week, all I have to do is just add a little bit of water and the curls won't deplete or like revert to how it was when it was fuller in the last clip. So from here, the hair will, you know, stay like this until it dries, and then I'll be able to pick it apart and decide if I want to make it bigger again or not. So I showed you guys the package in the beginning. The wig was in this drawstring bag. There was a ribbon that was on top of the entire box, which was super cute. It came, you know, like a little gift, but of course I went in and just quality control and make sure the package was everything that it was supposed to be before we started this video. And then there's this little piece of paper in here. Not sure what kind of paper this is, but it's really cool. It's like that see-through, like cloudy paper, and it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair." That's super cute. And then you have a pack of wig caps, just a little info card, return refund policy, care instructions, and all of that. And then what's cool is this little reusable pouch. It has that holographic look all around, and it's like a zip pouch, you know, with the active zipper. And then inside they included, and I actually needed this the other day, they gave me a leopard headband. I wish I'd known this was in this package on Saturday. I bought a new pair of, I think they're dunks, and they're colorful, but it's a white dunk, but it has a bunch of colors like blue, orange, and a cup purple, and then it also has like patches of like leopard print and then some other like spotted print. So I opted for a cute little outfit that like complemented the look, but I wanted like a leopard headband because my hair wasn't slayed, and I couldn't find one. Of all the things I couldn't find a leopard one. So happy I have one to put back in my complexion. Happy I have one to put back into my collection. A mini pack of bobby pins, and then there's also a edge brush in there as well. So really cute. And again, this is one of those reusable pouches that you can use for like your lipsticks, your toiletries. I think this is really cute and sassy and dainty for like your sanitary napkins or your tampons. I'm Ashley. If you are tuning in for the first time, don't forget to check the description box for a direct link to this wig before you head out. Also, I've worked with LUVME a few times, so you can definitely check my channel for other videos from this company. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.